This video is sponsored by Lifesaver Mobile. We stop distracted driving for your employees. To add a zone type, navigate to Productivity, Zones, Zone Type. Here we can see a list of all the pre-built types, which show up in this light gray color, and we can add new ones by clicking Add, and then filling out this information. Name is what your zone type will be called, and comment can be used to add extra context. Click Save up here at the top, and now you can see our custom zone in this blue color with the comment underneath. Now if I want to, I can navigate to our zones list, choose Select Individual to click any I'd like to assign our new type to, and click Edit Selected Zones. Under this box, I'll go to Types, click Replace With, choose our new zone type, and click Save. When this box pops up, click Accept and you'll see the new zone type applied. Zone types can be used for things like creating rules that apply to certain types of zones, but not others. For example, I can come down here to Groups and Rules, Rules, Add, and create a rule that applies to only certain zone types. I'll click Zone or Zone Type, change this to Zone Type, and then select which type I'd like this rule to include. Here I'll set that this triggers when the driver enters a zone with this type and add the condition. Now I can set up an email alert so I know whenever any of my drivers enters one of these zones. Once everything here is finished, we'll click Save up at the top to create the new rule. This is especially useful if you'll be adding zones with the same type later, since the rule will apply to all zones of the specified type and will include ones that you create as you add them.